an ideal trip for the Buddha of the legend. To the faith on the Grand Buddha of the legend. It is lonely, meaning the giant of the stone snow, Morpheus. Above a small stone is the line to travel toward the past after Jesus Christ. The confluence of the three rivers, Dabu, Jinji, and Nilhan, and few very dangerous toxic currents of the shipwreck of the good number the shark. On center the world, the stone of the cliff, and to achieve than the Grand Buddha the legend was raising the life. Unlocked, then the waters really calmed down and the tree did not return to the collapses of the ships in the sun. Do more than the divine intervention, they had deceived the tons of stone that we in the world were deposited at the back of the river, influencing even these currents of a form of the other one, while the debris on the Buddha giant, the initial intention was achieved. The enjoy on board of the one that is shift in positive to verify the exact scribe on the Grand Colossus that occupies the world shift. A Fourier dream. To guess as a sent one the idea of the Byzantine shining and then experiencing why this dream of coming on the Grand Buddha. Thanks for your company is the dream. Thanks.